Hi there, I'm Tanya and you're watching our YouTube channel Learn with Ears. Today we are going to look at to be verb am, is and are. It is everywhere in English and we use it a lot to speak in English. So here we go. To be verb. We use to be verb in present tense, past tense and future tense. In present, we use is and are. In past, we use was and were. In future, we use will be. But today, we'll only look at present. Okay? So we'll learn today is, am and are. So the word to be in simple present. Present means now, today. Okay? In this, we use am, is, are. I am 10 years old. So we are using am. We use am after subject. Okay? We use am only with I. Is. He is my uncle. He is my uncle. We are friends. We are friends. Am. We use am with I. Is. We use is with he, she, it. Okay? With singular subjects. We use are with we, you, and they. Okay? With plural subjects. Let's see affirmative form. Positive form. Okay? I'm hungry. He is Mark. She is my sister. It is a nice pen. You are my best friend. We are rich. They are students. Okay? These are positive forms. I am hungry. He is Mark. These all are positive forms of the verb to be. Okay? So here, this is am. We can write am in short form also. This is short form of am. Okay? So this one is apostrophe and this one is am. Apostrophe am. The apostrophe tells us that the beginning part of the verb is missing. Okay? So this is what left over. Apostrophe am. The beginning part is missing. A is missing. Okay? When something is missing, we put apostrophe. Okay? So am becomes apostrophe am. Is becomes apostrophe s. I is missing and we use apostrophe on the place of I and put s. Now R becomes apostrophe re. Okay? Apostrophe re. So am apostrophe m. Is becomes apostrophe s. ARER becomes apostrophe RE, right? These are the present form of the verb to be and these are contraction forms. I am hungry. So this is I'm hungry and in short we can say I'm hungry. I am. I'm hungry. His Mark. He is Mark. When we use is, so this is he is. When we use apostrophe s, then this is his. His. He is his. He is Mark. His Mark. She's my sister. It's a nice pen. You're my best friend. We're rich. They're students. Okay? So We can say I am hungry or I'm hungry. He is Mark or his Mark. She is my sister. She is my sister. It is a nice pen. It's a nice pen. You are my best friend. You're my best friend. We are rich. We're rich. They are students. They're students. Okay? Now let's see negative forms of the verb to be. When we talk about negative, we use not. I am not hungry. Okay? If I say I'm hungry means this is positive form. If I'm speaking I am not hungry, so this one is negative form. I am not hungry. He is not Mark. She is not my sister. It is not a nice pen. You are not my best friend. We are not rich. They are not students. We can also write negative forms in contraction. Okay, means in short forms. So, I am not hungry. I'm not hungry. He is not Mark. He's not Mark. She is not my sister. She's not my sister. It is not a nice pen. It's not a nice pen. Okay? We can use negative form of the verb to be like this or like this. So you can notice here we are using apostrophe S short form, and here we are using N apostrophe T. Apostrophe T. Okay? Apostrophe T. Isn't. Okay? So O is missing. Here N-O-T. O is missing, and on the place of O we put apostrophe. And here I is missing. On the place of I we are putting apostrophe. So this is his not Mark, and this is he isn't Mark. She's not my sister, and this is she isn't my sister. Okay? We can use negative form of the verb to be in this way, or we can use in this way. It's quite simple. Now we will learn question form. So these are some sentences. Okay? These are some statements. So this is a sentence and this is an answer, because here you can see full stop. Means this is not a question. Okay? This is a statement. And this one is question. Now we can easily find the difference. Here we are using am. Okay? Am. This is the verb to be. In present form, am. And then we are using subject. Here, first we are using subject, then we are using am. Means helping verb. Okay, to be. It is helping verb. So first we are using subject, then we are using helping verb, because this is a statement. And here, when we change the place, it becomes question. So this is a statement and this is a question. Now next is he Mark? Again you can notice we just change the place. We first write is, then he. Okay? It becomes question. So if you're writing subject and then helping verb, this is a statement. When you're changing the place, okay, first helping verb, then subject, it becomes question. I am I? He is he? She is she? It is. 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 It Is it? You are? Are you? We are? Are we? They are. Are they? Okay. To make a statement question, we just change the place. We put helping verb first and then subject. So, I am hungry. This is a statement. Am I hungry? This is a question. He is Mark. Statement. Is he Mark? Question. She is my sister. Statement. Is she your sister? Or is she my sister? It's a question. Okay. So question is it a nice pen? And the answer is yes, it is a nice pen. Are you my best friend? Yes, I am your best friend, or you're my best friend. Are we rich? Yes, we are rich. Okay, so these are questions and these are statements. It's really easy to change statements into questions, right? Now we will learn how to give short answers. Okay, these are some questions. So first question is, am I a good writer? Answer is, yes, you are, or no, you are not. Okay, so these are short answers. Positive answers, negative answers. Are you a factory worker? Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Is he angry? Yes, he is. No, he's not. Is she sad? Yes, she is. No, she's not. Is it a big bottle? Is it a big bottle? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Are we ready? Yes, we are. Or no, we are not. Are you angry? Yes, we are. Or no, we are not. So remember, we use you as singular subject or as plural subject, both. Now next is, are they late? Yes, they are. No, they are not. Okay, so these are short answers, positive answers, negative answers. Now let's put the words in order to make sentences. So here, these are some words and we have to make proper sentences. So first of all, we need to search a subject. Okay, so here we have a subject, it is. Then we have negative, it is not a small snake. It is not a small snake. Next, we have to search subject. So it is a subject and it is singular subject. So we use is. It is. Okay. And then a. It is a. Then we use big. After that, laptop. It is a big laptop. Now here again we have he, subject, is, helping verb, he is, and old. We use N before vowel, O is vowel, and old, and then man. Okay, man is a noun, right? He is an old man. Now next, Lucy, Penny are and friends. So there are two subjects, plural. So we use Lucy and Penny are friends. Okay. Now next is you very are happy today. So here there is a question mark. And we know if we have question mark, so sometimes we write helping verb first to make a question. Okay, So first we'll use helping verb are and then subject you. Are you very happy today? Okay. Are you very happy today? Next is man, not M, A, tall I. So I is the subject and with I we use am. I am negative not. I am not a tall man. Okay, so that's it for the day. Thank you very much for watching.